A digital business anyone can do, whether you're working full-time, part-time, a carer, or a busy mom like me. This could be for you. I am Grace from Canberra, Australia. At first, I was scared. I'm not tech savvy and I have no background in business. I came across a Facebook ad, just like this, offering a free 20 minutes business overview, and I like it because it explains how to start an online business from scratch. No selling, no recruiting, no bugging family and friends. That's why I decided to take action and join the business. If you are interested to know more, click Learn More. You will be directed to my website. All you need to do is register your name and email address and watch the free 20 minutes business overview. This might change your life and your family because we are over 278,000 members worldwide, plus personalized mentorship and coaching. So you are not alone in doing this business like me. I am not tech savvy, but I am doing this business successfully. It could open a new door for you, just like it did for me. Connect with me on Facebook or Messenger. If you have any questions, my website is www.graceandmika.com. Talk to you soon. God bless.